clock tower building in Milwaukee. And we have Westinghouse Selectomatics. These are some of the last original Selectomatics left ever that I know of. And look, they got the triangle buttons too. Fully original. You can hear the generators. Fully original Westinghouse Selectomatics. I can't believe these are still here. I really can't. All right, let's go up to 6. We're gonna go to 2, because 2 has a working bell. It's the old Westinghouse bell on 2. Heard it? Set it down so we can call it back up, because I'm pretty sure otherwise this will just sit open. So we'll let it close. This takes a while to close. Of course, we get the one that doesn't work. We'll just take this guy for now. All right. You going up? Oh, okay. Well, we'll wait. We'll get the bell later. There's people now. It doesn't pre-door, but it's right on the money when it opens. Pretty good leveling. B is locked. I think B is just disabled on these elevators now. Doesn't even work because I don't even see a key switch to unlock it. Stopping on 2 again. Oh. Hello.
Oh, we getting off?
No, I'm getting a video of the old elevators.
Oh, okay. Hopefully they're fixing them. I'm gonna get some new ones. Hello.
Come in.
Hey, you got our cow?
First of all?
Yes. You should just take her to. You think she gonna need X-rays? Oh, you're gonna have to take her to children's because I was gonna tell you to take her to what's the name of it? The urgent care right here on 124 from Bird Box.
Westinghouse.
They saying she gonna need X-rays. They don't look at
She said hopefully they get new ones. I hope they don't. I'm gonna let this one go up, because that is the working indicator with the bell. I hear one of them opening. Man, these are weird. Come on. Okay, now here we go. Looks like they were just cleaning in this one. Here's the other one. I think it's just sitting up. Whoa. Oh yeah, and it's got the old bumpers too. Let's get an impact cam, huh? She's gonna sit open for a bit. Here we are at 1. We'll go back up to 2 with the impact cam, see if I can hold the phone still. There we go. The button stays lit even when it's open. Let's go up to 5. I wonder if a bell up on 5 works. And it still stays lit. These might work like pop out, where they all just go out once it reaches the end, if it's travel. Or once it reverses. See which way it goes. I'm curious, will it continue up to 6? Well, let's push the 6 call in, and I bet that all of the calls will cancel out once it gets up to 6. Yeah. So it's like pop out, pretty much. Same logic. These have, what the hell? Why is there tinfoil in the ceiling fan? The other one's going up now. Oh, no, the other one's up there. Interesting. Send the other one up. So I think what it does, as soon as one gets down, it'll send the other one, but it always tries to keep one parked at the lobby. Anyway, that's going to be it.